Hello viewers, hope you all are well. Today I'm going to show you that how could you unlist your video on YouTube. So okay, let's start. First go to your YouTube page and then click create. Just upload a video. Always remember that every video before upload or published, you must select unlist. It has some advantage. So okay, I am selecting my files from here. This is my file. Just open it. Okay, here is some option that I have to change from here. Okay, so now you have to do add an attractive title with description, and always share your social media sites links. Also you can share your previous video links from this section, I mean in description. Then you have to add a attractive thumbnail. Then here you have to fill up playlist. If you have playlist, then must add it. And after that you have to add tags. Then you have to select your video language, recording date, and also others. So now I'm going to set my visibility. Here is the visibility option. From here you can select in 3 option anyone. Okay, here is the option unlist. It means that anyone with the video link can watch your video. So if you share your video link, those people can view your video on YouTube. Okay, so every video before published, you should unlist your video, so that if you need something change or edit your video before publish, you can do it easily. Otherwise you can select private. It can also, you can edit or change any section in your video before public. Always remember, in uploading time must select unlist. Okay, so thank you for watching.